Hi, I'm David O with Autozone. Today we're going to talk about warning lights. This is your vehicle's way of talking to you and telling you what may be wrong. Before we get to the more common warning lights, let's briefly explain the color system. Red warning lights require immediate attention and you should stop driving as soon as possible. Yellow lights aren't as urgent as red lights, but they still need attention. Green or blue lights are there to provide information, such as high beams or fog lights. Now let's get into a list of the 10 most common warning lights. First off, the check engine light. The check engine light indicates the engine computer has set a diagnostic trouble code. You can use the free Fix Finder service at Autozone to diagnose the likely cause. Number 2, your coolant temperature warning light. Your coolant temperature light indicates your car's temperature has exceeded normal limits. In other words, it's overheating. If you see this light come on, stop driving and seek assistance immediately. Number 3, your oil pressure warning light. Your oil pressure light indicates a loss of oil pressure. You may just need to top off your oil. But if your light doesn't go off after a top off, or it comes on after you finish topping off your oil, it could mean a more serious problem. Number 4, your ABS light. Your ABS light indicates something in your brake system is faulty. You can troubleshoot this light with the free Fix Finder service from Autozone. Number 5, your service indicator light. Your service indicator light indicates that something is wrong with a part related to the vehicle chassis system, such as your automatic braking system or your traction control system. Number 6, the battery charging alert. The battery charging alert means that your voltage level is below normal level and your vehicle's charging system is not functioning properly, likely indicating an issue with your battery cables, terminals, alternator, or the battery itself. Number 7, tire pressure light. The tire pressure light indicates that you have one or more tires with low air pressure or there is a problem with your TPMS sensor. Be sure to check your tire pressure. Number 8, traction control light. Your traction control light indicates that your traction control system is in use, likely in slippery conditions. If this light is on in normal conditions, there may be a flaw in the system. Number 9, brake system light. Not to be confused with your ABS light. Your braking system light indicates either that your parking brake is currently on, a problem with your ABS, or a problem with your braking system or brake fluid. Number 10, transmission temperature light. This light indicates your transmission is operating above optimum temperatures. This could be caused by heavy towing or excessive wear on your transmission. Be sure to check your transmission fluid levels. Now there are lights that aren't as scary. Let's go through a list of some of the ones that are just more straightforward. Cruise control light. Your cruise control system is activated. Door ajar. There's a door open on your vehicle. Gas cap. Your gas cap is not tightened properly. Fog lamp. Your fog lamps are on. Lamp out indicates there's an exterior light that isn't functioning properly. Washer fluid indicates your washer fluid is low. Thank you everyone for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And for more helpful videos, check out our YouTube channel.